Today, this is a long-form, no-rush, deep dive review of a product called Digital Academy Fortune. This is not a quick overview, not a promotional teaser, and not a surface-level walkthrough. This is a complete breakdown designed for people who genuinely want to understand what Digital Academy Fortune is, how it works, who it is built for, who should avoid it, and how it realistically fits into a long-term online business model. If you have ever searched for Digital Academy Fortune review, chances are you are trying to answer one simple question: is this product actually useful, or is it just another digital tool that sounds good on a sales page but fails in real-world use? This video is created to answer that question clearly. Before discussing features, dashboards, or bonuses, it is important to understand the real problem Digital Academy Fortune is trying to solve. Over the last decade, thousands of online marketers, coaches, and entrepreneurs have collected digital products, PLR content, tools, and training materials, but very few of them ever turn those assets into a structured, professional digital academy. Content stays scattered across folders, hard drives, and cloud storage. The biggest challenge is not lack of information, but lack of organization, delivery, and presentation. Digital Academy Fortune positions itself as a solution to that problem. Instead of starting from scratch, it provides a pre-built Digital Academy framework using WordPress, designed to help users launch a professional-looking educational platform without advanced technical skills. The core idea is not just selling courses, but building a controlled digital asset that can grow over time. At its foundation, Digital Academy Fortune is a WordPress-based system. This matters because WordPress gives users ownership, flexibility, and scalability. Unlike hosted platforms where you pay monthly fees and depend on third-party rules, a WordPress system gives you more control. Digital Academy Fortune builds on that foundation by combining themes, plugins, course structures, membership access, and monetization tools into one setup. One of the most important aspects of Digital Academy Fortune is that it is not just empty software. It comes with preloaded content frameworks. These include course structures, lesson layouts, blog formats, and digital product delivery mechanisms. For beginners, this removes a major obstacle: the blank page problem. Instead of wondering how to structure an academy, users start with something tangible. Now let's slow down and analyze how a typical user might actually use Digital Academy Fortune. Imagine someone interested in starting an online education business but overwhelmed by technical setup. Normally, they would need to choose hosting, install WordPress, find a theme, install LMS plugins, configure payments, protect content, design student dashboards, and test everything. For many people, this process alone stops progress entirely. Digital Academy Fortune reduces that complexity by providing a done-for-you environment. Hosting requirements are standard. Installation is guided. The site structure is already mapped. The student experience is pre-designed. This allows users to focus more on content strategy and less on technical troubleshooting. Another critical point is monetization flexibility. Digital Academy Fortune does not lock users into a single income model. Courses can be sold individually. Membership access can be offered. Digital downloads can be added. Coaching programs can be layered on top. This flexibility is essential for long-term sustainability, especially for affiliates and digital marketers who evolve over time. Now let's talk about who Digital Academy Fortune is best suited for. This system is ideal for people who already have some form of digital content, or plan to create it. That includes affiliate marketers who want to build authority platforms, PLR users who want to turn generic content into branded assets, coaches who want a structured learning portal, and solopreneurs who want ownership of their platform. On the other hand, Digital Academy Fortune may not be suitable for people looking for instant results without effort. This is not a push-button income system. It still requires decisions, customization, content alignment, and basic understanding of digital business principles. The system provides structure, but success still depends on implementation. A common question people ask is whether Digital Academy Fortune replaces platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific. The answer is not replacement, but alternative. Hosted platforms offer convenience at a recurring cost. Digital Academy Fortune offers ownership with a one-time setup approach. Each option has trade-offs. This review focuses on understanding those trade-offs honestly. Now let's examine the long-term value perspective. Digital Academy Fortune is positioned as an asset builder, not just a tool. Over time, a well-structured academy can grow content, audience trust, and monetization options. Search traffic can compound. Email lists can grow. Authority can increase. This long-term thinking is what separates real online businesses from short-term tactics. Another important element to consider is customization. Digital Academy Fortune allows users to edit layouts, content, branding, and structure. This is important because no two businesses should look identical. While the system provides a foundation, users still have creative control to align the academy with their brand identity. Now let's talk about the learning curve. Digital Academy Fortune is beginner-friendly, but not completely hands-off. Users will need to understand basic WordPress navigation, content editing, and plugin usage. However, compared to building everything from scratch, the learning curve is significantly reduced. At this point in the video, it is important to address expectations. Digital Academy Fortune does not promise guaranteed income. It does not claim instant success. It is a platform. Like any platform, results depend on strategy, consistency, and effort. Anyone claiming otherwise should be approached with caution. Now let's briefly discuss pricing and value perception. Digital Academy Fortune is typically offered at a one-time price that is lower than most monthly LMS platforms. For users who plan to build and grow over time, this pricing structure can make financial sense. However, value is subjective and depends on how the system is used. Another topic worth discussing is scalability. A digital academy should not be a static website. It should be something that evolves. Digital Academy Fortune supports that by allowing expansion through additional courses, content updates, and integrations. This makes it suitable for long-term projects, not just short launches. Now let's talk about bonuses. For viewers who choose to purchase Digital Academy Fortune through the link provided in the description, additional bonuses are offered independently. These bonuses are designed to complement the platform, not replace it. They focus on setup guidance, strategic usage, niche selection, and long-term growth planning. Bonus delivery details are clearly explained on the bonus page linked below. It is important to clarify that these bonuses are not officially part of Digital Academy Fortune. They are independently provided to add extra value for buyers and help reduce confusion during setup and implementation. As we move toward the conclusion of this long-form review, let's summarize the core points. Digital Academy Fortune is a structured, WordPress-based digital academy system designed to help users launch professional educational platforms without starting from zero. It is best suited for marketers, educators, and entrepreneurs who want ownership, flexibility, and scalability. It is not a magic solution. It does not replace effort. It does not guarantee income. But it does remove many of the technical and structural barriers that prevent people from launching in the first place. If you are considering Digital Academy Fortune, the most important question to ask yourself is not whether the product is good or bad, but whether it aligns with your long-term goals. If your goal is to build a real digital asset that you control, this system may be worth exploring further. For those who want to learn more, the official link and bonus details are available in the description below. Take your time. Review the information carefully. Make an informed decision based on your needs, not hype. Thank you for watching this full Digital Academy Fortune review. If this video helped you understand the product better, consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews focused on real-world online business tools.